Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Click the bell icon at the top of the page to get notified when I post a new video. Please give this video a thumbs up. Universal Channeling. Channeling the Conscious Universe. Live at the Moment. By Angel V. Ornedo Jr. The 20th of August 2020. Living at the moment is an attitude of enjoying each moment that you have, feeling and emoting joy and happiness for each motion, movement, thought that makes an action, and a perception that the moment is the only thing existing on the planet now. Perceive it to be the best moment and your life will be full of joy and happiness, a feeling you have never felt before, a contrast to every act we do where you try to move so fast, creating terrible stress in your being. The words concentration, focus, calm, simplicity, love, smile, laughter, minimalism, and feeling loved forever, make living in the present a virtual reality. Imagine each moment that you live is a grace of God, that you love, and love is your teacher at this particular moment, that you experience a little of something in this world, and the sun and the rain are always there forever, creating a life of energy and ease through your life. Life becomes an easy concept as everything now is turning abundant, as Source provides all the cosmic energies you need for an abundant life. You are the being that will create major changes in this world as you create peace living at the moment. Living at the moment is synonymous to laughter, elimination of worries, loving what you do, appreciating each moment of the day, forgetting what you have done before, but dreaming of the future, planning and working each moment and enjoying the passing moment. Planting a tree, seeding the soil, greeting the birds and the squirrels, sharing what you know and loving each moment doing it, are small things but matter in living the moment. Practice living at the moment, feel each passing millisecond, enjoying that positive productive act that you do, that you can do it as God is there all these moments, and remember that abundance is within you, provided by Source of all that is, assisted by Master Jesus. God gave you an easy access to the energy of fulfillment if you always connect with the vibration of the Creator's soul, while the Creator's fulfillment flows through your soul, mind, body, and the whole of yourself and your creations. With you allowing the cosmic energies flow into your soul, mind, body and all that you are a participant in creation of changes that you want in your reality, with a willingness and desire for a higher vibration that goes with expanded consciousness. You are an expression of the Creator's soul, fully deserving love and joy, living at the moment, focused, in full concentration, calm. Love and light from Angel V. Ornedo Jr. About the author: Angel teaches love, light and field of unity consciousness, assist with capitalists' funds to generate livelihood in industrial estates in Southeast Asia, Middle East, and organized corporations that create jobs. Link at ornedo@gmail.com or connect at Barnes & Noble, Zlibris, Amazon.com. Knowing the Infinite Creator or e-books, articles at the net.